Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it, and we appreciate the comments we're receiving on the videos, the requests. It's fun to see. Today we are going to draw Adley Rutschman, catcher for the Baltimore Orioles baseball team. Adley Rutschman played college baseball for the Oregon State Beavers. He was the first selection overall in 2019 to the Orioles. He's since been an all-star, a silver slugger, an all Major League Baseball player, first team member, superstar overall. Me and my kids had the opportunity to see Adley play against the Cubs recently. It was really fun to see. He's really good. So let's get started. Let's find the center of our page up and down, the center of our page across. We'll get our pointed tip on the dark marker, and we will do Adley Rutschman's head up here. So first we'll start out with an arch, a slight arch for the hat, right in the middle. So go like that, just a little arch, bump up on the sides, and let's connect that brim of the hat right there, like so. Now we're gonna go up on both sides, and then angle to a point, round off and angle down and round off that corner. So not sharp corners, they're just kind of rounded corners for the hat. And now we'll do down, down for the side of the head. Make a space. We're gonna do a rounded chin area. Rounded chin up. A couple of ovals on the side of the head there. We'll find the middle of the face. We're gonna do a little arch. A little arch, and that's going to be the bottom of the eye. He's got some smiley eyes. We're going to come up and make this big arch connect. Make a big arch to connect those eyes right there. We'll do a big circle on the inside. I like to leave a white dot on the inside of the eye. Now we'll come down. We're going to come down, find the middle of the face. Do a dot, that'll be the middle of the nose. We're going to do an arch, up, up, and we're going to do a nostril, a little rounded nose. He's got a little bit of a round nose. Let's come down, find the middle again. We're going to do a smile, so we'll come over here. We'll go down, up, down, and up. He's got this kind of sideways slanted smile, so we'll come down and connect. I like to color the corners of my smiles in with black, and then we'll make a smile line for the teeth. So now you can see his teeth. Make a bottom lip mark. Make a little mark on the side of the mouth there. All right, good job. Adley's looking good. Let's bring the neck down. Straight down, straight down. Come down to a point and connect. Let's do some shoulders. Slant down, slant down. The sleeves, slant down. Angle down for the sleeves. Angle in, up, up. Now we're going to make angle down to the waist, to the belt. Come straight across, angle down and connect. So he starts wide and goes skinnier to the waist. Here's a little rectangle for the belt. Another rectangle on each side for the belt. Let's do a big circle holding a baseball. So this is a big circle, the best you can. This is going to be the baseball. Adley Rutschman's got his hands. We got 4 circles holding onto that baseball. We'll bring the arm down, down, angle in to touch that baseball. The arm comes down, down, and right here we're going to do like a sideways jelly bean shape. Okay, this is going to be the hand holding onto the bat. So we got a small and then it gets fat on this side. That's the hand, and then we'll angle the arm into that hand. Now I'm going to draw the bat. Bump, bump. Now we're going to start skinny and angle down to the bottom of the page, round it out. Start skinny and get wider to the bottom of the bat. Connect. There we go. The bat, he's leaning on that bat. So let's do some pants right here. We're going to go down, round it up, down, round. Oh, it stops at the bat. So let's connect down, make that other leg. Okay, let's do some big oversized shoes for Adley Rutschman. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces right there. Bring that shoe, that toe out to the edge, down, come straight across to the ankle area, stop and connect. Bring this heel down, straight across to the edge of the page. Bring the toe up and connect to the bat. All right, so we have Adley Rutschman kind of blocked in here. So we are going to do a orange jersey. Let's get our black dark marker. Actually, that's what we have here. So we're gonna write the word Orioles in black after we color it all in orange. So I'm gonna do fast forward. We'll do the logo up here, and we will do orange jersey, white pants with a stripe, baseball, the hair, and then we'll fill it in with flesh color. And we have Adley Rutschman of the Baltimore Orioles, the catcher. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Adley Rutschman, fast forward now.